In front of me is TECNO Pova 6 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then you need to select one of those themes. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. If you want to try something more interesting, go into the same settings and use this plus icon under my themes to set up a custom one. Tap on any photo you like. Manage it by pinching it to scale it and dragging it to move it. When you finished, hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. And hit done. Then manage key borders and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!